Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another 3/4 Designs design team layout using the beautiful Adventure Returns collection. Here's kind of an overview. There is a complete unboxing on the channel. So I've done a little bit of prep work. I've taken one of the papers and I've cut out this fabulous little globe. I've done some fussy cutting of this. And this here's the photo we're going to do. We're going to mat it on this piece right here that one of those fussy cut items came out of. So this is from when I went up north to see my friendly friends for a fun like 5-day craft retreat. And I've also pulled in some stash items because the whole point of 3/4 Designs is they give you 3/4 of what you will need to create a layout. I've got to fussy cut some of this stuff out too, but I figured I would jump on and say hey to you guys. Let's see. I like that. We may come in with some more of the little words. What do we want to pull out of here? I want to do some more luggage. Oh, I was in Paris. That would be beautiful. And I'm gonna cut this one as well. Let's see. We'll pull in some of these, but we're gonna wait. I may go through some of these and get some of that stuff fussy cut along with this as well, but we've got to see what we've got going on here. We're going to be kind of a fun little leafy verb. Let's get this trimmed off. Okay. We're going to use the back side because we're going to do some scuffy. So how are all of you wonderful people? I do hope that you are having a good day. I have successfully had 2 weekends off in a row. So that is really unheard of. But my leaves are taking care of it. So let me go ahead and finish fussy cutting this stuff out. I'm going to scuff up this big guy and pop it up and put it down, and we'll be right back. So I also forgot to say that I am incorporating this in mixed media mayhem. I've been trying to play along with it a little bit, and B doesn't care. Bumbies! So the recipe for today is stars, inks, and a stencil. So I did take a stencil from my stash and some distress ink in brown, and it was a star stencil. So knocked that one out of the park and did a little bit of stencil work right around there and onto the globy globe that I have popped up. We've got our Alright, I gotta remember. Gotta see how I want this to go. Put that up there. We're gonna run, this is gonna go right about there. And we're gonna incorporate this kind of like that. Okay. I'm gonna make a shaker pocket. I have all these little items are all cut out, so I'm going to make a shaker pocket. I've got that ready to roll. We're going to use this as our title. Everything is like distressed, and I'm going to pop it like right here because of the harsh line. So, and yeah, I just scuffed up all of the edges. Then we just need to take and let's make these leaves look a little bit more realistic, and that's all I do is just pinch them in, as you can see. And then we're going to get that stuck right there. So come in and put that guy right there. So Steph's head's cut off. That's Stephanie, me, Jean. I believe her name was Jo. She's not a part of our group. And Jamie and Julie. And that was our very first lunch at our weekend. Actually, it was more than a week, but a little crop time fun. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Just pinching them in. Making, oh goodness gracious. See what I mean when I say sometimes that my foam repels the ATG? So we're just going to add some liquid glue as well. And then we'll come in and we get that one stuck there. And add just liquid glue on this one. And we'll just get it stuck right on this side. I always remember to put my cap back on right away, otherwise those little fine liners will get broke. Alright, we've got that on there, so I do have stars and stuff pulled. So let's go ahead and make that shaker real quick. So I've just got some foam already stuck on here. And my husband was resting, so I did my nails. He fell asleep watching something on the TV. Afternoon nappy nap for the old man, right? I don't mean like it's my old lady, it's my old man. I think he's old. It's gotta take a nappy nap, but we went and bought a fire pit because we're gonna make s'mores tonight. Okay. And we're just going to take this. And this is just from the Tuck and Play cards. Get that on, and then I just go and cut around. I'm going to put it there. Well, that's quite a bit bigger, isn't it? But that's okay. I think we can make that work. I used two different just tuck that there. Then I'm going to come in. We have all these fun widow pieces and then all these leaves. So let's go ahead and tuck. Not so much tuck, but just kind of get this guy layered there. there. Let that push down a little bit more. No, it's not straight. And we'll just, you know, grab some of this. And pop it right here. Okay. I'm just going to tuck that guy right there. And then we have this guy. Okay. I need to shoot some glue under that because it is just not. So we'll get that like that. Okay. Got that all done. Looking fun, looking fun. Then I'm going to take these leaves. We're just going to twist them. We're going to stick them all up in here. And then we can come over here, get a few stuck over there. We're going to go all over the place. I'm going to keep doing this. So let me go ahead and get the rest of these, and I'm just going to tuck them in all around here. Just for layering bits. Because it's fun to just keep layering all of this up. So if you just give me just a minute, I'll finish this up and we'll come back and finish the layout. Alright, the only other thing to do is add some of these little stars. I think I want to go with the yellow just for a pop of color. Now they do have a hole in them, so I'm just going to tuck the hole. Where else do we want to put a few of these? We could probably add in a few brown as well. Because that's what it's all about. Getting some stars on there. I like working with a recipe. I think it's fun. And then one more. I was gonna go there, but I wasn't feeling it. So we're gonna go there. I do have these gray stars, but I'm not feeling those. We do need like some enamel dottage. My big bin of dots. Put one there, we'll go there, and then we'll come up here. Just using different colors, and then what do you think? Let's go with the red. All right, getting some stash used up, getting some of this fabulous new product used, and another layout created. So I will have all the links down below. So please check out 3/4 Designs' fabulous quality of paper. It is thick and fun and everything that you want. Plus, look at all the graphic designs. I mean, most of the mixed media part is already done for you guys on these papers. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.